Manspreading. Now repeat after me. Manspreading. 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 Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning. Manspreading refers to the practice where someone, usually a man, sits with their legs wide apart in a way that takes up more space than necessary, especially in public places like buses, trains, or waiting areas. This behavior is often seen as inconsiderate because it encroaches on the personal space of others. Think of it like this. Manspreading happens when someone sits in a way that leaves less room for the people around them by spreading their legs too far apart. In a sentence, he was manspreading on the train, leaving barely any room for others to sit. Here, manspreading refers to the inconsiderate way he took up too much space. Let's try another example. The subway was crowded, and his manspreading made it uncomfortable for those sitting next to him. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using manspreading. Synonyms. Some related terms for manspreading are space hogging, taking up more space than necessary in a public setting; inconsiderate sitting, sitting in a way that disregards the comfort of others. Antonyms. The opposite of manspreading would be considerate sitting, sitting in a way that respects the space and comfort of others. Compact sitting, sitting with legs close together to make more room for others. Part of speech. Manspreading is a noun referring to the act of taking up too much space by sitting with legs wide apart in public. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.